Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Radiant for Vulcan Hart part #00-710407. Radiant for Vulcan Hart part #00-710407 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart ovens. It is a radiant heat element that is used to provide heat to the oven cavity. The radiant heat element is made of stainless steel and has a wattage rating of 3,200 watts. It is designed to fit in Vulcan Hart models VUH30, VUH36, VUH48, and VUH60. This part is an essential component of the oven, as it helps to evenly distribute heat throughout the oven cavity. The radiant heat element also helps to reduce energy consumption by providing more efficient heating than other. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement burner head for Vulcan Hart gas fryers. It is designed to replace a worn or damaged burner head and can help to fix symptoms such as poor heat distribution, uneven cooking, and inefficient operation. Here is how you install this part. -000011. Begin by turning off the power to the Vulcan Hart unit. 2. Remove the existing radiant assembly from the unit. 3. Install the new radiant assembly onto the unit, making sure that it is securely fastened in place. 4. Connect the wiring harness to the radiant assembly, ensuring that all connections are secure and properly connected. 5. Turn on the power to the Vulcan Hart unit and test for proper operation of the radiant assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.